Hello and welcome to Craftsy. In this video, I'm going to show you how to crochet this beautiful little tulip stitch. It's a 1-row repeat pattern. You can use any kind of yarn and any size of hook as per your needs. So without any further delay, let's get straight into it. Okay, once you have your chosen yarn and hook, we're going to make a slip knot. And then we're going to make a foundation chain, which is a multiple of 3 plus 2. So that is 3, 3, 3, 3, 3 until you get your desired width, and then adding plus 2 to it at the end. So I'm going to chain 26. So that is 24 is a multiple of 3. So that's 3 times 8 is 24, and then plus 2. So that makes a total of 26. So I'm going to chain 26. So you can chain any size width you like. 1, 2, 3, 4. So that's a chain of 26. So now we're going to make single crochets starting from the second chain. The chain on the hook counts as nothing. So this is 1 and 2. We're going to make single crochets from here. And we are going to carry on making single crochets until the end of this chain. So pause the video and meet me at the other end when you finish making the single crochets. Okay, I've now finished the single crochets. So now we're going to chain 1 and turn our work, and now it's the beginning of a little tulip stitch. So you see this very first stitch, we're going to make 2 double crochets into this stitch here. So let's make 2 double crochets. So that's 2 double crochets done. We're going to chain 2 and make a single crochet into that very same stitch. So we're going to insert the hook in here, grab the yarn and make a single crochet. So that is our tulip stitch. So next we're going to skip 2 chains and make a little tulip stitch into the next one. So that's skip, skip, and then make a little tulip stitch here. So for little tulip stitch, we're going to yarn over and make a double crochet, make another double crochet into the same stitch and chain 2, and then make a single crochet into the exact same stitch. So that's a single crochet done. So that is our tulip stitch. So again, skip, skip and make a tulip stitch. So yarn over, insert the hook into this chain and double crochet, make another double crochet, and then chain 2, 1 and 2, and make a single crochet exactly into the same space. So skip, skip, and then 2 double crochets into this stitch here. Chain 2 and make a single crochet exactly into the same space. So we're going to carry on making this. So meet me when you have 3 stitches left. Okay, I'm I'm left with 3 stitches now. So skip, skip, and into the last stitch we are going to make a little tulip stitch again. So we're going to yarn over and make 2 double crochets. So that's 1, 2, and now we're going to chain 2 and a single crochet again into the same stitch. So this is how it looks after the tulip stitch row. So now we're going to chain 1 and turn our work, and we're going to repeat the little tulip stitch row. So but at the beginning of this one here, so it will be a bit different because, so you see this, we have a single crochet from the previous row. We're going to make a double crochet, 1 double crochet into this space here. So 1 double crochet into the single crochet space from the previous row. And now you see this 2 chain space. This is the tulip from the previous row, so there's a 2 chain space. So we're going to make 1 double crochet into this one. And now chain 2 and make a single crochet again into the same space, this piece here. So from now onwards we'll be working only into this 2 chain space into each one of these tulips here, but the ending, at the end here would be a bit different. So the start and the end are a bit different, but the remaining tulips we will be working in the 2 chain space. So yarn over, insert the hook into the 2 chain space, make a double crochet and 1 more double crochet into the same space, chain 2 and a single crochet into the same space. Now jumping straight onto the next one, so this space here, yarn over and make 2 double crochets, chain 2 and a single crochet into the same space again. And now moving on to the next one, so this, find the chain 2 space, this space here, and make 2 double crochets, and chain 2 and a single crochet exactly into the same space. Moving on to the next one, so this is the tulip, little tulip from the previous row. So we're going to find 2 chain space, make 2 double crochets, chain 2 and a single crochet. Moving on to the next one, find the 2 chain space and 2 double crochets, chain 2 and a single crochet. Moving on to the next one, yarn over, make 2 double crochets into the chain 2 space, chain 2 and a single crochet into the same space. Let's find the chain 2 space from the next for the next tulip. So it's this one here, make double crochets, 2 double crochet, chain 2 and a single crochet. So I'm on to the very last one now. So this is a bit different here. So you see this chain 2 space, we're going to make 1 double crochet in here, and then make 1 more double crochet into the same space. So that's total of 2 double crochets, chain 2, and instead of putting the single crochet into this stitch, we are making a single crochet into this double crochet from the previous row. You see, this is a double crochet from the previous row, so we're going to insert the hook into this stitch here, so this stitch, in such a way that both the loops of the chain are on the hook, and make a single crochet. So this is just to make sure that the edges align. So this is how it looks now. Now we're going to chain 1 and turn our work, and like we did before, the first stitch will be a bit different. So find the single crochet from the previous row and make a double crochet into this space here, and the chain 2 space, we're going to make 1 more double crochet and chain 2 and make a single crochet exactly into the same space. Now from now onwards we'll be working only into the chain 2 space, so make 2 double crochet and chain 2 and a single crochet all in the same stitch. So remember, it's just the first and the last tulip. We're going to work a bit differently, but the remaining ones will be working only in the chain 2 spaces. So after a few repetitions of the little tulip stitch, this is how it looks. And if I turn around, it looks the same as well. So you see how simple that stitch was. So it looks beautiful on blankets or scarf or anything really. So I hope you make use of this pattern, and if you like my video, please do give me a thumbs up and leave me a comment. And as always, thank you so much for watching. Take care. Bye for now.